kasama po natin si Sir, pwede po po magpakilala po kayo.
Sergeant Dulfo Iparagire po, LA DAS T25 007986, Philippine Air Force Reserve ng 3rd RC.
Sir, ano po bang event meron po tayo ngayon?
Well, basically, nag-start up ito like a coffee conversation. So, small event na kinonceptualize namin, but it turns out to be big event, no? So, the main purpose is to provide road safety sa mga kapatid natin na small riders and big bike riders. Mabigyan sila ng tamang fundamentals on how to do safe riding to ease up the motorists across sa mga road na tinatakap nila.
Okay, Sir, napansin ko po maraming mga participants na riders po. So, saan-saan galing po itong mga rider natin po?
So, at the moment, ginamit ko muna yung circle ko sa motorcycle community. So, some came from different organizations such as mga Big Bros. And currently, I'm holding the presidency of Lerap Cavite. So, nandito din sila. And then, ating mga organic riders. So, they also attended. When I say organic riders are coming from the Air Force community. So, nandito sila. And friends of our motorcycle organization.
Sir, just for clarification, no, mostly kasi pagka-riding community, so mostly ang nagkakandang po dito, mga LTO or mga HPU, pero nandito po tayo ngayon sa Air Force. So, konting clarification lang po.
Yes, it's a really good collaborations between the PNP HPG 4A. So, first time namin na conceptualize itong training na ito. Supposed to be, we are just only targeting about 30 participants, but it grew about 150 strong registrants for this event. So, nung nakita namin na lumalaki yung numbers, we tapped the support of Police Colonel Israel Mori, our regional chief for Calabar Zones. E nung nalaman niya yung background of this training is all about road safety, which is the advocacy of the HPG. So hindi kami nahirapan na kunin yung kanyang support. So nagbigay siya ng mga mobile support and also motorcycle support. And they will also be conducting actual drill para makita natin paano ba yung handling ng, especially for the big bike riders.
Okay, sir. So, isa pa pong tanong. So, magkakaroon po tayo ng loop mamaya po, no? So, ano po yung mga mangyayari po after po ng loop? Ano po ba yung nabivisualize o nabivision po natin after po ng event?
Well, the first vision, because this is a road safety training, is zero casualty, zero accident. So, what you learn from the classroom lectures is you have to apply after this. So, yun yung tinitingnan namin na it would be an effective training kung zero accident tayo sa loop natin. It's a good opportunity that most of the local mayors na dadaanan natin sa loop, they provide good support, especially the San Nicolas government. They provide to open their baywalk, which is actually pinopromote nila for tourism. So magkakaroon siya ng magandang concept on how they will create the tourism in San Nicolas. And they're so very happy na we collaborate also with their target to broadcast and advertise their baywalk through this Taal Lake Loop. So nagbigay sila sa atin ng stage. They provide screens, tarpaulins, and of course marshal free of charge. So mga unexpected support na hindi namin nakalain na ibibigay sa atin ng San Nicolas. So we're very happy with the municipal governance of San Nicolas and also the facility na ibinigay sa atin dun sa Baywalk area.
Alright, sir. So, parang nangyayari, no? Kumbaga, unexpected lahat. And then, yung mga support po from the LGUs po natin, no? So, So sir, last message po ninyo para po doon sa ating riding community.
Well, again, I would like to extend my gratitude for the strong support of this friends of mine under my circle sa motorcycle industry. Also, sa mga organic nating Air Force and reservists. So, I rest assured na marami kayong matutunan dito sa training, especially under our subject matter expert kay Coach Clyde, kay Coach Tani, which also the coaches of my wife. Kaya yung wife ko marunong na rin magmotor because of them. And of course, with the HPG, I rest assured na yung pagsali nyo rito, you will learn to be a proper rider, to provide good driving skills na hindi tayo magiging disturbo sa ating community, but of course providing it as one of our necessity for travel na lagi tayong safe. So sabi nga nila, once you go out, may pamilyang nag-aantay sa'yo pabalik, and this is the one aim of this training is to provide safety, that rest assured pagbalik nyo sa bahay, paano kayo umalis, ganun din kayo babalik.
Alright, so sir, maraming salamat
Thank
po
you.
sa oras na binigay niyo po, and we hope na hindi lang po dito magtapos sa inyong first event na to. So, hoping na marami pa pong susunod na event, hindi lang po dito sa Batangas, kundi po sa buong Pilipinas na rin po. Thank you so much.
Looking forward.
Yes,
Thank you very much.
thank you po.